Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So a friend of mine has got this little auto opening self-charging cradle for the car. You know, you put your phone in there, you touch a sensor or move the phone button and it'll open up. Well, the micro USB port is all flaky and screwed up. I didn't realize too is this actually has a USB-C port too as well, but you know, trying to figure out how to get into this thing so I can look at the jack, and just thought I'd show you guys. You know, I was like, how do you get into this thing? And it turns out that here, let me see if I can set my camera up somehow over here. Okay. So what I discovered is you get underneath this piece here. It's got double sticky tape on it, right? And then it'll come right off. You got your charging coil, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. So we're gonna pull these off. You know what might be kind of interesting but demented is seeing how the camera would look through my magnifying glass. Let's see if we can. There we go. Okay. All right. So that kind of worked. You're looking through the magnifying glass of my magnifying light. Okay, so now get all the screws. Okay, very carefully. Okay, you can see that there's a connector and two. Oops! Don't lose that. It's a little side button deal here. This little thing that was hanging on. Well, it's a little chrome piece. Of course, it just dropped off. Oh, here it is. Very hard to see. Put that in there. Lift this up. Let's pull this one off too. They just kind of slide on there. Okay, so let's it's coming. Trying not to. There we go. Okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do is real quick. I'll hit it with the soldering iron, and I'll just take off the 2 coils. That way we can just the 2 legs of the coil. That way we can just work on the circuit board. All right, hang on everybody, I'll be right back. All right everybody, I just took a second. Let me put away my knife. Okay, so it's kind of cool, like looking through here is that, so the connections down here are all right. And what I did notice is that down here, again, all these little ones, people seem to really wrench and twist on these little connectors. You know, you're supposed to pull straight out. If you take this and, you know, you're like bending it up while you pull it out, you know, it looks like these mechanical grounds are also kind of broken. We'll fill this in, and we'll try it. I'll go get a micro USB cord here. Oh, actually, this is, what the? Okay, this isn't the right cord. That's fine. Won't be using that. Let me go get a cord, and we can play with this a little bit. All right, hang on. All right, let's try cleaning the glass off here a little bit too. Try to get you guys the best possible picture, right? Okay. Well, that's as good as it's going to be. Turn this around so I can actually see it. You guys can see it. You can see all the traces are ripped off. The only ones left over, sorry for the shaky video. Let's see, can I just set this down? There we go. Okay, so I'm going to point with my X-Acto knife. This is plus, that's minus, and then there's some data pins in between. So what I did is I plugged in the USB-C, and this pad right here is minus, and this pad right here is plus. And you can see, you know, you got these caps and stuff. That's kind of what clued me into that, you know. So I measured it with my voltmeter, and it's 5 volts. So I'm gonna try and find a new connector. If I can't, then we're just gonna chop a cord and wire it up to here. That's what I was asked to do, actually. So you know, let's see what we can do. I'll bring you back. Hey everybody. So I couldn't find a good connector. I have actually, you know, loose ones at home in a drawer, brand new ones to solder on. So I'm gonna see if I have what I need at home. I'm gonna go ask my buddy, you know, if he wants me to replace it or he just wants to use USB-C, because the USB-C is more robust anyways, and we'll just pull this thing off. I mean, I already pulled it off. So let me go find out. I'll let you guys know. All right, be back. All right, everybody. So I asked my buddy, and he says he wants to just take a cord and chop it off, and he wants me to add wires on. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna cut the cord here. This is a mini USB. Bye-bye. All right, so we will come in here. Yep, there's the plus. There's the minus. Okay. Now we're gonna check to see if it works by plugging it in. Okay. Oh, look. See? It's working. Okay. Now let's. I'll assemble it. And I'll bring you back when it's all done. Oh, shoot. All right. I'll bring you back when it's all done. All right, we'll talk to you. Oh, yeah. We're going to add in some hot glue, right? So we'll hot glue this into place, and then the wire will just come out right here. So, all right. Well, I'll bring you back when we're all glued and screwed and tattooed. See you guys in a minute. All right, everybody. Back together. Now watch this. The sensor is right in the middle here. See? And then if I can't tell if it's charging, but I know somewhere there's a, yeah. Oh, I saw it was blue, so it was charging. So let's get the last few pieces here. Here's the let's unplug this. Okay, then I'm gonna take this thing, this bad boy, slap this down. place. Yeah, videoing with one hand is pretty hard. Now I know why I never do it. Alright. There we go. So then, tracking. Okay, now you can see. Opens and closes. And I'll just try it with the phone here. Okay, let's see if I can pull this off quick. You can see that it's charging. Oh, yeah, you saw it was blue. All right, guys, that's it. And we just got to put this piece back on the mount. So thanks for watching this horribly crappy video, and we'll talk to you later. Easy.